During my visit to the kindergarten, I had the opportunities to observe the teacher professional behavior and classroom practice. The teacher showed the patience, kindness, and a good communication with the children. For example, the teachers guide the children when they made a mistake instead of scolding them. This helped create a safe and positive learning environment. I also interviewed the teachers and learners that become caring, responsible, and understanding is very important in early childhood education. The teacher mentioned that one of the challenges is managing a different behavior, but staying calm and supportive is the best approach. From this experience, I learned that professionalism is not only a teaching knowledge but also about the showing good value and building strong relationship with the children. I can become a better teacher in the future.
Hello, my name is Shamira Ita Anakidwir, and this is my partner for this project. So we are currently conducting a field observation as a part of our studies, and we was wondering if we could interview about your teaching practices, and it will only take a short time where your response will be kept confidential. And would that be okay with you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I would like to introduce yourself first.
Okay, so hello, nice to meet you, Miss Cheryl and Miss Nisha. So my name is Goldie Meyer Imueleta. So people usually call me Meyer. So I'm currently working as a teacher kindergarten at Saint Dominic Kindergarten in Miri.
Okay, so thank you. So I would like to ask you a few questions about your professional experience in the classroom. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. The first question is how does the teacher start and end the lesson on time? It's about the punctuality, your preparedness, and also your presentation.
Okay, so firstly, regarding punctuality, preparedness, and presentations, I always make sure to arrive early and prepare all teaching materials before the lesson begins. This is very important as a teacher. So I believe that good preparations helps the class run smoothly and allow children to learn in a more organized and comfortable environment. I also try my best to start and end lessons on time because it teaches children the importance of disciplines and time management.
Thank you, Mayor, for the answer. So I will proceed to the next question, which is it is about the communication between the children, parents, and staff. So how does teacher explain the concept to children, to students or also children?
Okay, so in terms of communication with children's parents and staff, I always try to communicate clearly, kindly, and respectfully. So when explaining concepts to children, I use simple language, examples, songs, activities, or visual materials to help them understand better. I also maintain good communications with parents by updating them about their children's progress or any important informations. Besides that, I work closely with other teachers and staff to create a supportive and positive learning environments.
My last question for my part. So it's regarding classroom management and also responsiveness. So how does teacher maintain order in the classroom?
Okay, for classroom management and responsiveness, I believe creating a positive classroom's atmosphere is very important. So I maintain order by setting simple classroom rules and encouraging children to respect one another.
So that's all for my part. So Nisha will proceed with her question. So yeah, Nisha, you can ask.
Okay, the next question is regarding about the respect, the diversity and the ethnics. So the question is, how does the teachers treat the all students fairly and respectfully?
Okay, so in terms of respect for diversity, inclusions, and ethics, I believe every child deserves equal attention, care, and opportunities to learn. So I treat all students fairly and respectfully, regardless of their backgrounds, personality, or learning ability. I also encourage children to appreciate differences, help one another, and build values such as kindness, honesty, and respect.
Okay, the last question is about the emotional control and conflict resolutions. So how does your opinion, you as a teacher, treat in the stressful, in the challenging situation in current with the children, with teacher or stuff?
Okay, thank you for the question. So regarding emotional and control and conflict resolutions, I understand that challenging situations can happen in classroom anytime. So during stressful moments, I try to remain calm, professional, and patient. When conflict happen between children, I guide them to communicate properly, understand each other's feelings, and solve problem peacefully. When it comes to myself, I got emotional, unstable. So I try to avoid them so that uh, it will not affect them negatively. So when my emotions are not stable, I try to ask my assistant teachers to take part to in charge the classroom for a while, so that I could calm myself, and then I come back to my class and teach them. So that way will make sure that children will not get a negative vibe from myself. So I believe teachers should be good role models in showing positive behavior and emotional control.
Okay, great answer for the questions. Okay, thank you very much for taking this time to share your opinion, your answer with us, and then I really appreciate your willingness to do with us and participate in this interview. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.